Okay, hello. This is a sound test. Just making sure everything works. This is a sound test. Hello. Okay, it seems to work. So... Alright. So, hello. It is I, Godo. And today, as you can see from the little post-it in the top right corner of your screen, I'm gonna be, working on my fruit survival series again, but this is the final stretch. And after that, I'm probably not gonna be using Unity again at all. So, yeah. Yep. Okay. So hello everyone. I think the YouTube chat is using the wrong link. So let me just change that real quick. Nice. Okay. All right. So actually, if I look here, there's still 4 sprites that I'm supposed to be doing, including backgrounds, which is a pretty big deal. And also, I realized the dialogue/event box would totally need a sprite, and then like event choice button would be another one. So the thing is, I don't think that I want to do all of these. That's 6 of them. I got, well, that's 4, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 4, 9. So I've done 9 of them, and it took me like 2 full streams. Now there's 6 left. That's, considering my rhythm and the fact that they are bigger, it's probably 2 streams just that, right? Or at least, a stream and a half or something along those lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate those in the game, see what is the most jarring and what's left, probably like the dialogue or something. Then I'm gonna do, a couple other sprites and stuff like that. Basically, it's gonna depend as well. Like this morning, I don't have infinite amount of time. For my stream, I do have a pretty decent amount though, but I don't have infinite amount of time. So what's gonna happen is, this stream, I'm gonna be integrating the current sprites into the game, and it is going to require some code, especially like the mission map path, like using the thing, make it longer and stuff. Like it's not necessarily gonna take like 5 minutes, right? It's gonna take a couple minutes just for the mission map path. The fruits, the logic of instead of using colors, using sprites, it's gonna take some time. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's try to be fast about it, and if I have some time, cool, I'll do more sprites. The backgrounds are not going to be my priority, though. Elements that you interact with, like the dialogue and maybe the forest entrance. Oh, I didn't do the campfire. Okay, campfire as well. Stuff like that would be more of a priority for me. But for now, I'm really just going to integrate stuff into the game. And yeah, because the thing is, I'm pretty sure at this point that it's a fine idea for a game. But, the project started a long time ago at this point. I don't have that much free time, certainly not infinite. What have I done? Oh no. No. Did I press an F? Oh. What the? Oh, is it this? Oh, okay, it's fine. Okay. So yeah, at this point, the project's been going on for a while, and while I'm working on this, I'm not working on something else. In fact, one of the main reasons why I haven't streamed in so long is not even because I don't have other projects, is because since this is the project that I'm streaming right now, it's the one that I'm streaming, but honestly, I probably could have streamed a little bit of my other project going on, the one that's been occupying me a lot in my free time lately, though it's not super on brand for my channel so far. but I will show you something. This is a sneak peek. And yes, there will be videos, maybe even streams about this subject soon enough. And it's not just coding. It is coding, but other stuff as well. As you can see right here. This is a breadboard. So I'm doing a little bit of electronics lately. So if you look, I can press buttons. Oh, it's not connected. Oh, it is connected to my computer. Why isn't it working? Hello. Well, okay. So basically I have buttons and stuff and a microcontroller. So I'm doing a custom keyboard from scratch, which is really cool. It's a very, very fun project. And I will be sharing some of the knowledge I've acquired along the way. But it was so new for me, I didn't really want to stream it. Because it took me a long time to learn some of these stuff. And yeah, it wouldn't have made for a very entertaining stream. Not that I focus on making my streams entertaining, but you know. So yeah, the keyboard stuff, it's going to be coming out on the channel, probably videos. You know, I'm going to make videos talking about what I've learned, my process, stuff like that. Or maybe just showing what I've got once my first prototype is done. In the meantime, let's finish this. And I'm going to be eventually starting a new game project in a different game engine. Okay. Also, currently, you know, my school semester has started. I've got a lot of classes, including my final project. Ooh. So it's graphics programming. Currently, the project we're using, we're like making a project more modern. And currently it uses OpenGL, an old version, but we might be using Vulkan, possibly. And you know, so I might be learning Vulkan this semester, which is gonna be a treat, to say the least. So, okay. Now that I've bored you out of your minds, because you guys do not care about graphics programming, you care about game dev. Well, let's get right into it. Let's get into the game dev. Okay. First things first, I'm gonna be including stuff that I don't care about too much, like backpack. Okay, if I play the game, let's see where I want the backpack to be integrated. Quickly. Oh. So let's go here. You go to cooking. Okay. I go gather fruits. I go to cooking. Boom. Here there should be a backpack. And the fruits should like theme to come out of it. Or maybe I start with the fruits actually. The fruits are kind of the most important feature. There's a decent amount of code that's going to go along with it. So if I go in scripts, and static, who cares, food. Let's open this. Let's find where in the code, where I choose the appearance of the fruits. I think it's the fruit generator or something, but okay. Boop. Burp, burp, burp. I don't really care about that. I wonder if I could take the error list and put it like there or something. Boom. Error list. Output. Nobody cares. Boom. Output. Boom. That's crazy. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So here I have more space. Maybe like this or something. Okay. Foods. Fruit colors. I just, make a list of new colors. But that's not here where I choose the actual color. Is it in the generator? Set color. If the fruit's transparency is in 0, or is 0, sorry, then I generate a random color with a 1 for transparency. So that's how I verify if the fruit has been previously set or not. So this, I don't know how important it is. I think fruits, the appearance of fruits, the color, fruit script dot set color. Okay, I see. But set color here is only used here. So basically, I could just say, no, this is what I use instead of this. And this here, it doesn't matter. I just choose the appearance of the fruit in food.cn. I could say that. There's no problem with that. So I could literally just make an index of textures. Oh, it's a static class. Right. Okay, well, let's do it like that. Okay, let's 0, 1, 2, and 3. And you're not colors, you're ints. Or, int. Okay, it's just an array of int, which is a new int array, of course, with 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, this array, I want to do something with it. I want to do fruit colors. That one. Fruit colors dot. I can't just write here. I have to. Is it static? Because there's no constructor. This is just a static array. Okay, you know what? Fair enough. Fair enough. In Fruit Generator here, I will be going back to what I did. Null or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna say if it's null. So if the fruit color is null, just a null check, I do something with it, right? You can say food.fruit colors equal something like 0, 1, 2, 3 or something. New int array. Something like that. Like 0, 1, 2, 3. Dot randomize. Not dot randomize, but dot shuffle or something. I don't know. There has to be something. Okay, let's see. C# shuffle an array. Oh, he's just doing it himself. Oh, you can oh, no, okay. He did implement shuffle. Oh, you had to implement it yourself. Well, if I have to implement it myself, I'm just gonna... So what's the most efficient way to do it? Something like for... As long as I is smaller than 4 plus I. So before then, I can just do a int array indexes or something that will be equal to something like that. Position random dot range min inclusive, max inclusive. So it's gonna be from 0 to indexes dot length. The length minus 1, I think. Something like that. Yeah, like this is fine. Okay. But this is also an index. Oh, that's the problem, huh? It's an index of an index of, you know, it's always an index of something. I could say serialize field, and here go private, and instead of game object, it could be like sprite 2D or something. Well, just sprite then. Sprite array, which is going to be like the fruit sprites. Okay. Now, this would be fruit sprites at that position, which is like an index of an index of an index, but you know, it's fine. And when you say set color, it shouldn't actually be set color. It should be set sprite. That's what it should be. And the fruit script, what kind of thing is it? It's a fruit geo. Okay, fine. Should have that sprite using a sprite. And here, instead of sr.color, it should be sr.sprite will be equal to sprite. That's what it should be. Okay, so this technically should work. Now, I think. Now, let's go back in Unity. Yeah, okay. In the text updater. Oh, I did use that, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna comment this. But yeah, it was useful to know in your inventory what you got. What? Why do I have this in the text updater? Doesn't matter. Okay, I see. Okay, let's say do this for now. Now I want to go in the other scene. I think it's in the cooking scene that I have the fruit geo generator right here. And fruit sprites. So this is where I'm going to be including the sprites. So here I go. Oh, they're all PDNs? No, that's not what I want. I want them to be proper PNGs. Yes, fruit 1, PNG, flatten, it's fine. Okay, now I want to open fruit 2 and file save as PNG as well. Save for sure, flatten it please. Then the third one, which I want to save as a PNG as well. Here. Yes, flatten please. And the final one, save as PNG again. Yeah, PNG and then save. For sure and flatten it. Thank you very much. Okay, so now I can close this. I can take all the PNGs and then slide them in Sprite. Do they have a white background? Well, I sure hope not. Just go default, it's fine. Aha. Okay, the alpha seems to be calculated weird, but it's fine. At least it exists. So here... Yeah, this is a sprite. Oh. And here we go. Single sprite, apply. Thank you very much. Now if we go in the fruit generator, we should be able to... maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, it is, yes. I just need to say that I want other ones. Okay. Now that I have these elements, I think I should be able to at least try. So if I go gather fruits, you know, they're all default colored. And this... Where? Here? And I just realized... So you get an index, then you say, hey, you're actually the index at that position, at that index. But then I gotta do indexes the remove. Okay. You're gonna have a list of int. There's gonna be a new list of int. Remove that index. Thank you very much. Dot count. Okay. This is pretty good. This should work much better. So yeah, the null pointer actually was the object itself. Sorry, the object. Basically the in food, the fruit sprites, the list. It was null, but I never set it to something. Yes. Oh. Look at this, that's crazy. They did put some color filter over it, so that's kind of weird. But yeah, it's fun. Strange. Okay. Well, I know cook fruits. Now yes, something. Oh, do they all have the same appearance? Okay. Yeah, I just want to check something real quick. In the project, I should have some prefabs, including a fruit game object and just a normal fruit. Yeah, the default is always going to be white, please. It's going to help a lot. Yeah, they all seem to have the same appearance, which is problematic. It's all 0 or something. So this code seems like it's not running or something. Just cleaning up my working space. That's a lot. Was the sprite renderer? I'm obviously managing to call set sprite. Here I could do debug.log. And I'm gonna log first something like okay. Now I can try. Fruit is 1. Fruit sprite is 0. Fruit is the sprite is the object fruit 1. And the fruit 1 again. Fruit sprite 0. Fruit 1. Fruit is 2. Fruit sprite I 0. Right, fruit 1. Okay. I'm gonna move this. So obviously this seems to be picking the correct one. If I say at position 2, by the way, and 3, oh, and 1 as well. And while I'm at it, let's go 0. Okay, so let's just remove this and let's just, you know, debug it. Okay, just making sure that my array contains all the textures, well, the sprites that it should, which I think is the case. So what's probably happening is that, oh, if it is equal to null, yeah, no joke. Makes no sense. Yeah, let's do something like that. Okay, if I do this way in Godo generator, and by the way, I'm not going to be needing this. Okay, because I found my mistake. If this at position 0, let's say, equals -1, then it's because I haven't set it yet. So I think now it should shuffle correctly. So I should have different fruits. Please tell me I have different fruits. Please. I gather. Oh, I have different fruits. Yay! They're so small, by the way. I would just like to say they're very small. So when I go in the right here, okay, you see pixels per unit. Nah, there's less pixels than that per unit. So it's actually 32 pixel per unit. Okay, apply. It's gonna be much bigger, like pretty much 3 times bigger. Even that might not be enough, but I think that's fine. Okay, let's go. Just to see if it worked, because maybe it's limited by the size of the object. I know sometimes it does happen in Unity. Oh no, it's fine. Okay. Yay, whoa, cool. There's still like white borders and things are weird, but you know, it's fine. Yay. Actually, let's see. Remove this. Oh, hey. Bilinear, point. Oh yeah, point. That's what I want. I want more pixelated, please. So no filter. I just want a point. Approximation, thank you. Point, please. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now if I go, is it crisper? Is it cleaner? Is it better? Who knows? Oh no, I'm feeling sad. This is so sad. Yay! Yeah, I think it's good. You go like this, cook the fruits, you get this. That's pretty good. Okay, so here, I'm just gonna take a quick break. I really need to go to the bathroom. And after that, we're gonna be doing the same thing, but for the inventory. It should be much faster now that this works, okay? So see ya in like 2 seconds. Hello, hello. I am back. Why? I don't know why is it loading so much? I'm gonna reload the song. I don't know why it bugged. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. I thought you guys were gonna be having music while I wasn't here, but okay. Awkward. That being said, um, yep. Oh wait, I didn't realize there was a comment. I'm not used to people commenting. So what will you use afterwards? After Unity, I assume. So actually, it depends on what I want to do for my next project. If I plan to make a 2D project, I'm still not sure. If I plan to make a 2D project, I'm definitely going to be using Godo. And, you know, since I'm Godo, it's going to be the, you know, Godo team up. You know? So that's probably what's going to happen if I make a 2D game. I might even try to remake that game prototype as fast as possible in Godo or something like that. But I don't know. If I want to do 3D, it's definitely going to be Unreal Engine. Also, I do have a project where I've been working on my own game engine. It's very, very simple for now, though the texture system is pretty cool, pretty unique. I spent a lot of time on it. It's still not working perfectly the way I wanted it, but it's actually pretty good. So yeah, I might just be taking that OpenGL project. It's on my other computer, which is like right there, my laptop, which I do use to monitor my sound and volume and stuff, which I should be testing right now. Yep, it's still working. But in the meantime, yeah, I actually think that I'm gonna be trying Godo out. Yeah, I might be doing something like chess or something like that. Just redoing a game that already exists, just to try out the Godo game engine. But I do have a couple of good ideas for 3D projects, so it could be nice to use Unreal Engine. It's just I'm not so good at modeling, especially character. So, but you don't need a character to make a game engine. You know, you could just be a camera working, just walking around in a 3D environment. Actually, the first game that I ever made was in a class years ago. And it was a fun little puzzle game. It was in Unity at the time, but it was a 3D game. And actually, it wasn't even a programming class. It was before I was just starting to learn programming and stuff like that. I didn't know C# or anything. So in that class, I did not program anything. I did want, like, the teacher gave us, you know, a couple scripts just to have the character walk around and stuff like that. You know, we had like default stuff that he made for the class. But I did want to make a precise type of game. So I asked him to, you know, I would like to do this thing. You know, is it too complicated for you? Could you please code me a script to do that? And he was like, you know, that's a good idea. So he actually did it. He wrote a little script for me using Unity, which I didn't know anything about the Unity libraries at that time. So it was more precisely, I wanted to do some kind of like a, you know, point and click adventure game, right? So I wanted the point and click script, basically, right? I wanted to be able to just click and whatever was, you know, under quote unquote my mouse, if it was close enough to the player, or, you know, even if it was just hovering it, I could receive an event and do something about it. Like I wanted text to show. So if I was, you know, if my character was looking at an object or something, it would write a little text under, like a description of what my character is thinking at the time. So, you know, it was, I remember there was an ancient tomb or something, which was like Egyptian themed. And there were, not tapestries, but, you know, like basically drawings or paintings on the wall of different Egyptian gods and goddesses. So when you were hovering them with your mouse, it would just tell you a quick description of what they were, you know, just a quick Wikipedia snippet. Not that it came directly from Wikipedia, but it was basically just, hey, this is the god of this, and it helps, you know, it helps like souls get to the you know, the underworld and stuff like that. And you had to figure out what to do with like a little soul. So there was a sarcophagus, I guess, and when you clicked on it, it opened it, and then there was a little light which was like a soul that would like fly into the air, and when you clicked on it, I think it just moved to the center of the room between all of the little paintings of the gods, and then you had to go and click on which god the soul needed to go see. And if you clicked on the wrong one, you basically killed the soul. Like there was the crocodile god, the half crocodile, well, it's a goddess actually, the half crocodile goddess, which eats the soul of the, you know, whatever, like the mean people when they die. Yeah, that was funny. So you had to click on the correct god to help the soul get to the underworld safely. And that was just one of the puzzles in the game. That was fun. So yeah, the whole point and click thing, that was nice. So I could remake, basically what I'm saying is I could remake that game in Unreal Engine, now without assistance. I'm pretty sure I still have the assets for that game somewhere. I'm pretty sure I still have those. So sorry, I like this song. Okay. So I don't need these. So this is interesting, I guess. Kind of annoying that I have to copy and paste this, but yeah, let's just, who cares, right? Like at this point, who cares? That's right. Dead fruit colors. No, that's right. Boom. And then you say food item. Why food item? What is a food item? Oh no, Go back, go back. What do you do? Oh, because it's a game object, I see. It should be set fruit sprite. Actually. So you're gonna have the same inputs. So I have to compare now. Fruit generator, you use, yeah, also a game object. Why game object? Isn't it a script? Oh, it's a fruit geo. Never mind. This is an actual game object, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna uncomment this. And here it's gonna actually be fruit sprites. And you're like, oh no, this is crazy, I can do this. And the reason is because you're like, oh, it's colors, it's stuff, it's potatoes. Okay, so here. Yeah, and you need to have the fruit sprites as well. Well, it's not a bad idea, actually. You know why? Because in a real game... Not to say that this is not a real game, this is just a very simple, unreleased demo that is probably never going to be completely finished, but it's fine. So, yeah, it does seem redundant that both the text updater and the fruit game object generator, they both have their own set of sprites for the fruit sprites. But in a real game, maybe I would want to make, you know, higher quality textures for these ones and lower quality textures for these ones here. Maybe I would want that, you know? And maybe I want to make them custom, maybe make them a little different. Maybe those are actually just icons that represent the fruit better instead of having a lot of details, and these are the real, more realistic appearances. You know, I might want to do that in a real game, so it's actually fine, I think, to separate them. No copium. now, but seriously. So here I have the indexes. So wait, in the generator, you actually go fruit sprites at position fruit. All that in the fruit sprites array, that's true. So fruit sprites, boom. Oh, yes. That's right, yeah. Nice. This is a sprite. This is a sprite as well, yeah. I'm sorry, what are you talking about? Food.m get component inventory in fruit or whatever dot image. Okay. Dot sprite. This is a sprite. Oh, Unity Engine UI image sprite. Okay, this is not the same kind of sprite. Well. Alright then. These are not going to be sprites. They're going to be UI.sprites or something. Okay, wait. What was the type? Again? I really need the type, the correct type. UnityEngine.UI.image.sprite. You're wrong. You're wrong here. UnityEngine.UI.image. Dot right. Okay. Let's be simpler. Or just go like this. Just a bunch of sprites. And here, so it is a sprite. Why doesn't it work then? Not sure why. An object reference is required for the non-static field method or property text updater.fruitSprite. I'm not sure what they mean by that. If I go sprite, yeah, sprite equal this here equals this here. Oh, okay, I still get the mistake. Wait, it makes no sense then. Sprite array fruit sprites. Yeah, it's fine. They're both mono behaviors. This is fine. I don't understand what's wrong. I think nothing's wrong. I think it works. I don't know why they give me that mistake. That's so weird. Why would they ever do that? Oh, why does it? Please, please, come on, dude. I get to choose the song. Woo! I want the song. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Do I want Disco Train? I think I want Fear Factory. Yes. Huh. Alright. Wait. Okay. This is so weird. I really don't get it. Because it's static? Don't make it static. Who cares? Man, that's stupid. Oh man, that is... That... Gosh, I can't believe that really was it. Okay, well, I can believe it. I mean, I can't believe it was static in the first place. Oh my god, okay. I feel so dumb. Okay, let's just go. Let's just go. Let's try it. You know, let's try it out. Let's hope it works. Yeah, sure. Okay, oh, okay. Something's not working. Null reference exception. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Text updater dot set root sprite. What is not an object? The sprite? Is that it? It's a good question. Okay, so this works. By the way, like, I know for a fact that this works. Now, what is not set to an instance of an object? Okay, very simple. I can just know. I just have to log it. Okay, I can, you know, I can pretty much go food item. Okay, so I just go step by step. Okay, food item plus, you know, food item. Okay, and then I get to do the same thing, but for food item get component inventory fruit. Okay, boom. Food item dot, you know, in fruit or something. Okay, boom, that's crazy. Now I just go one step further. Image. Or I can just go in fruit, right? Just that. And then here I can just go image. This is image. This is image. And then I just go here and I go dot sprite. And then you're gonna say, but it doesn't exist. I think that's where the problem is, by the way. Just full disclosure. But I'm gonna try still. Okay? Let's restart this. Oh, is it still running? Just stop. Rerun, please. Okay. Yes. Cool. Ouch. Go gather fruits. Okay. Again, fully expected. The error, since I did not fix it. Oh, that's a cute song. Okay, so again, 32 food. Okay, so this is an object, this is an object, this is null. Okay, the final one is null. So image, it's a color. Image is a color. What is in fruit? Let's start with that. This is in fruit. In fruit has a color, which is color 1. Image has a source image and a color. I want to change the source image. I don't know what sprite they're talking about, but in color 1, oh, because in fruit has a... I see. Okay, so the plot thickens basically. In fruit is an actual thing in the UI. It's here. In fruit, it's right here. You have an image. Public image, image. So this is a reference to your thing, right? So here, you have a reference. Color 1 image. Color 1 is your image. But the image has a source image. And that's what I want to change. So if I go in text updater, instead of sprite, I want to say dot source image. Really? Okay, image. Trying to find what I can change. Hmm. Oh, but it said it was null, right? But now that I've given it one, maybe it's gonna work. Maybe it's just because it wasn't set in the first place. Whoops. I'm sorry. Where is the... Why is it like this now? Maybe I don't want to play maximize. Maybe it was just small. The sprite exists. It exists! It is not null! Null reference. It's this line. Okay, then let's do something here. Sprite. Sprite will be equal to this. And then you are going to be equal to sprite. So now we see which line causes the problem. Okay, so I gather a couple fruits. Go there. It still doesn't work. But why? Aha! Line 102. So the problem, at least in the first place, is not actually the image. I did not set the fruit sprite. What am I doing? Okay, so let's go. Whew. It's been a long time since I've used Unity, huh? Okay. It's just... Okay. We go there. We go in static. We go in... Which one was it? Is it the script holder? Nah. It's in the canvas, in the stats. Fruit sprites, right here. Okay, boom, 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 and boom. Okay, so now I can go in the sprites and the blah, 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 right here, boom, right here, boom, right here, boom, and right here, boom. Okay, gosh, jeebus. It was way too complicated for no reason. I've been streaming for more than an hour. I'm still stuck on the fruits. Oh! Look at them. They're crazy. Fight. Go to cooking. Bow. Bing bong bong. Bang bing bing. Yeah, well, okay, those are still weird, but... Okay, so that's pretty good. Now this works. And I don't need to do the whole complicated thing for no reason. I just... Boom. This is equal to this. Thank you very much. Goodbye. And now, set recipe color is where it, you know, it gets way too complicated for no reason. This is dot sprite. Now here, I don't have to check if the food exists because it's always fine. Doom 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 boom. Doom boom boom boom. Okay, that was fun. Fruit sprites, yeah, fruit sprites, and then you go here, and that's great. And here, oh no, because it's static. No, it's not. Get out of here. You get out of here. Okay, great. That's it. Awesome. Okay. Boom, bottom, 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 boom. Okay. It should work, right? Right. Click, clack, look. Okay, let's make a recipe, boys. Whee! Oh, there's still colors. That's weird. Oh yeah, because there's default colors in the prefab. Prefab. In recipe. Color 1. Hey, it's ya boy. Ya boy. Okay, this should work. This should be better. This should be fine. Come on. I believe in you and in myself. Blee blee blee. Blee blee blah. Blah blah blah. Woohoo! Okay, it works. It's fine. I mean, again, the icons are way too small in the inventory, but for a prototype, you know, it's fine. So now it works, which is great. So I've included the first one, okay? So this one, I can literally remove it, okay? So this is those that I need to do. This is those that I need to include. Will I have time to do all of that in, you know, in just 2 streams? Who knows? Now let's do the backpack. It's the most simple one. I think all it's gonna have to do is be in the scene, and that's it. It's not interactable, it's nothing. So eventually it would have been useful, because if I want to open my inventory, usually I would have liked if there was like the backpack icon in the UI. I click on it, it opens a little window in which you see the fruits. Would have been nice, but who cares? Mission map, great. Save this. I can go in the boom 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 cooking scene. Yeah, don't care about the camera. Go here. Okay. And then I just go and put the bag down. Put it down. Where's the bag? Okay, in sprites. First off, the bag, I don't even think that... Yeah, it's a PDN. So let's open this. Save it as a PNG instead. Boom, bada bing. Yes, and flatten. It's great, amazing, awesome. Amazing ball. And then here, boom, 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 bam, bam. And then here, oh yeah, I need to do a bunch of things. So first off, it's a 2D sprite. Also, it's point, no filter, and just go in default. Just to be like, boom. And then you can go, it's a 2D UI sprite, blah, 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 apply. And the sprite is single, and it's not 100, it's going to be 32 as well. Apply or something. And then you can just put it in the scene. Boom. See, that's great. Backpack, whee! Backpack, whee! That's great. Cute. Shouldn't have just made it bigger, but... Go to cooking. Oh, it's right there. Okay, it's too high. Or is it? Yeah, seems like it's too high. Oh, okay, so this is the camera. I see. Yeah, don't care. Oh yeah, just stop this. Backpack. You go there. By the way, just scale, just go 1, man. Just go 1. If you want it to be bigger, which is kind of legit, maybe 16, right? Or 24 or something. This is gonna be fine. Apply, so it's much bigger now. Yeah, well, something like that. Like, ooh, the fruits come out of the backpack. Yeah, I think it's outside of the camera again, but we'll see. Boom. Boy. Yeah, it's pretty good. Except those are really high, and this one is not. I don't know, I think it's cool. like this or something. Why isn't it here? Why can't I see it? Backpack, where you at? 1.1, please. Okay, 0. -1. 2. Okay, there's a problem with the backpack. What's happening with the backpack, bro? Yeah, it's in scene content, by the way, just saying. Dude, you kidding me? Why is it behind the rest? Why? Man, it literally makes no sense. Under the backdrop then? I don't get it. By the way, just go back. Okay, go back to when I could still see it. Huh? How about that? What happened? Why can't I see my backpack? Makes no sense. This is really annoying. It's there. It's right there. Okay, it's fine. Look, it's fine. Ooh, wow, they come out of the thing. Wow, how great. How great. This is awesome. Wow. Crazy, dude. That's crazy. Okay, so I've included the backpack. Next. The character on the mission map. Yeah, that's kind of a no-brainer. It shouldn't be too hard either. So I'm gonna save this one. I want to open the scene of the mission map. Boom, boom. Yeah, the player here. Nah, the canvas. Nah, the scene content. Yes, player. Okay, your color is gonna be white, just like everything, but your sprite, instead of being the default one, it's a new one. So I need to open this, go in player.pdn. Okay, at least now it goes kind of fast. I'm gonna save as that's right, a PNG instead of a PDN. Thank you very much. Okay, flatten, great. Here I will go take the PNG, put it there. Now this, just to be clear, alpha S transparency. Thank you very much. I will now go with a 2D blah blah blah, which is a single with 32, or you know what, 16 is fine. Bilinear, it's gonna be a point. Boom, apply, great. So now if I go for the player, that's your sprite. Have fun. Oh, that's the big one. Okay. So you're actually going to be 32. All right, apply. Thank you very much. So here, if I go here now, why is it so weird? Yeah, that's kind of fine. Okay, so here, first off, it looks very weird. I don't know why. So input texture alpha, yeah, okay, sure. That's not what I want. Why does it look like that? Like here, it doesn't look like that at all. It's super crisp, super clean. So what's your problem, Unity, huh? What's your problem? Oh boy. Damn. Doesn't help. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. That is crazy. Okay. Maybe that's too much. Look, I don't know. It's fine. You okay, Jesse? My baby dog just woke up. Jesse. Okay, I thought she wanted to come on stream, but apparently not. Yeah, by the way, it seems to be pretty good. So RGBA, you know, seems better. Oh, it's much better. Yo, that's so much better. It's so much crisper. Oh la la. Yo, that's awesome. I'm learning stuff. What? Learning? It's impossible. Okay. Nice. Much crisper. Now, boom, 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 bing, bang, bong. And here I go. Look how crisp it is. Kind of. Okay, but wait. Wait. Now that I've done this, do I want a bilinear filter? Oh. What about trilinear? Okay, it makes nothing. Makes no difference. But yeah. Oh, wow. 4. I'm just trying to for fun. Nah, 1 is fine. Okay. Yeah, I actually kind of like the bilinear filter, actually. I'll try it for everything for now. Because I use the same technique for all of my sprites, so I assume that if something works well for one of the sprites, it's gonna work well for, well, all of them, really. So, I don't know, it's kind of good. Boom. Okay, it's weird that the arrow doesn't point in the right direction. Okay, so I actually don't think that for the basket the filter is good. I think point is better, but for the rest I think it's good. Okay, so now, what do I want to add? Now that I've done the character. And yeah, I'm not gonna orient it, it's fine. The mission map path. Yeah, I'm gonna put the tent up first. So the tent is gonna become the button, basically. So if I go in the mission map is fine. Now I need to go in another scene, which is the campsite scene. Campsite content. Canvas. So you have button end of day, right? Put some text, some stuff. If I focus, boom, boom, boom. I actually want you to have a UI sprite. And the sprite, I need to make it a PNG first, is gonna be the tent. So the tent, if I go file save as, and then PNG, that's right, flatten it, then go in Unity, then go here, then boom, 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 bing, bang, bong. Then I go, oh wait, in sprites, that's right, right here. Okay, great. So you go here, you go, hey, no, you're actually a 2D sprite. You're a single and you're, let's say 32 for now. Your alpha source is fine, alpha is transparency. Also, I want you to use RGBA and a bilinear filter, apply. Boom, all of a sudden it's great. So now go to sleep button end of day. You're gonna have a sprite, and this sprite is gonna be the tent. Woohoo! So happy for you, dude. So happy for you. Go to sleep. I don't know if I want to keep the text. I think I don't care about the text. I think I boom, boom, boom. I think button end of day is now I want, oh, come on, no color. And what is this? Width and height and stuff. Height is gonna be, I don't know, 400. No, 300 then? 250. Yeah, let's go. That's great. That's awesome. You sleep there. You do you, buddy. That's great. Look. Oh, I didn't save. Well, that's fine. So I'm here. I'm like, yeah, okay. Boom, I'm going there. Yes, a quick bath wouldn't hurt. And then, boom, the tent, brother. I just built it. Click on the tent. Yeah, no reference. Great. Oh, because the tent isn't built. You know what? I don't care. So no start and no text. That's crazy, isn't it? Don't care. Boom, just do the thing. Okay, the fact that you have to build it and that you don't see that it's unbuilt is kind of not good. But hey, that's fine, right? Okay, let's say you don't have to build your tent, right? Let's say this is for later. Yeah, well, let's just do this then. Yeah, something like that. Pretty good. Okay. It does seem jarring that it's by itself, but you know, that's one more sprite included. I'm gonna do the same for the garden, by the way. Is the garden functional? I think it was, right? Kind of. Instead of go to garden, I think I'm just gonna put the... Again, you delete the thing. Button garden, you go like, come on, like this. And then I just need to make sure that the garden is a PNG again. So save as PNG. Thank you so much. Yes, yes. Okay, so I'll go back to Unity, take the garden in the sprites. Okay, now I need to automatically boom boom bing bang bong. Single 32. Use transparency bilinear and it's an RGBA apply. Then this is gonna be using that as the UI sprite. Okay, that's cool. But your height is gonna be, let's say 250 like the other one. Nah, I don't think so. I think you're 300. I actually think you're 400 high, something like that. Transparency is weird on that one. Point maybe? Oh, that's much better, yeah. The 10 should probably be better with point as well. Yep, that's better. I don't know, maybe I just take point for everything except the player. The player doesn't look good with point, but I think the rest, especially for the contours, is better with that. Just go point everything. Who cares? It's just gonna be crisper. It's fine. Maybe it's just too big, the player, by the way. Oh yeah, that's probably why. Wait, if I just go in the scenes, the mission map, and in the scene content I check the player. No, okay, it looks like it's fine here, but yeah, in the sprites, I say 32 per. Maybe I should even go 64 or something. Okay, let's try this. Oh yeah, it's fine. And you see where the player is. And then boom, you go to the garden. Fight. Oh, that's the garden. Eee, my bad. Go back to the campsite. Button gather, not garden. Okay, by the way, the button gather, it very much should be higher up there, and the garden should be lower. Okay, so here, the gather button. Look, let's just make it, okay? Yeah, whatever, I don't know. 128 by 128. Yeah, okay, let's just 28 by 128. Okay, something like that. Or actually 256 by 128. Okay. Yeah, let's make the image right now. I have time. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so 3. Great. Eh boy, they really look bad, don't they? I'm really rushing this, but you know. I know I'm rushing this, but it's just I just want to be done at some point. Hey, by the way, no more music. What's up with that? Something along those lines. Oh, wait. I think I do need the... I'm gonna do that on a new thing, but... Here? No. Here? Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, take it all. Or this. And do... True. Cancel. Plus. Control C. Control V. And then here you go, stylize, outline. And then I don't know why the outline is that color. I can do okay. But I don't know why it's that color. So... forest or something, and then file, save as. I'm gonna make a PNG out of it. It's really not my highest quality sprite, let's just say that, but again, I kind of just want to finish the prototype at this point. So, blah 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 blah. You know, sometimes you just gotta put yourself out there, even if you're not at your best. Very inspirational, isn't it? Okay. That's stupid. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Yeah, totally. Yeah. Okay. So this is great. This is awesome. Everybody loves this. Button gather and not garden. Gather. Thank you very much. And this, by the way, is going to be very wide. Like at least 800. Probably just off in the distance, you know, like this. And now garden, you remove the thing. You do, oh Jesus, why am I always doing this? And you do the actual garden. Yes. Thank you so much. And this is 400 by 400. Thank you very much. Like this. Right. Okay, good. That's nice. That's cool. Everybody loves this. Right? 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 Wow. Look, wow, that's crazy. That's awesome. Bye. Oh, It's over the thing. No. Okay. Okay. Just a little bit here. And the cooking thing, just a little bit there. Right? Like this. That's nice. And then I can sleep. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It does look a lot better with the sprites, even though, you know, it's kind of weird because a lot of it is still, you know, just a blank color. But it's cool. I actually did the forest entrance. I just completely did it. Okay. Garden, completely done. Mission path is going to be complicated. Campfire, it should definitely have an icon. That's for sure. Dialogue event box should probably have, and that thing as well. The mission map background, it's kind of okay. I think the nodes need to have one more, but yeah, it's fine. And the campfire background. Oh, yeah, just the campfire is fine. But at this point, you know, I just did a sprite and the campfire is just doing a sprite. It's pretty simple. I'm going to be finishing the stream soon, by the way. And the mission map, I mean... Oops. No, not that thing. So if I look at the... Yeah, okay. So if I look at the mission map scene... Yeah, well... in content or whatever, but it doesn't change anything. Basically, I need to look at the mission map. Script. The script. Okay. The map script. When I generate the map. Okay, I generate positions and stuff like that. Node.pose.set. Okay, cool. Nodes.add. Okay. But then I have void display path. This one I have to change. And this one I need to make my path sprite. Okay. I need to make it reach all the way to the whatever and whatnot. Reach all the way to the next node, no matter what. I think that for now, what I'm gonna do is, yes, do like the orientation correctly between the nodes, but I think I'm just gonna stretch the sprite, and that's it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So, boom, beam, 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 bong. Oh no, not that one. Yeah, delete. It's .png. Okay, and here I am using a sprite. Thank you very much. Single 32 or something. This point and RGBA. Thank you very much. Okay. That being said, now when I'm generating things, I am just doing the path. And then here I have P1, P2, and what I do is game object path instantiate the path prefab. Oh. With the transform of the map. And then I do a line render. Oh. Line renderer. I see. So I'm gonna look at the path prefab. It's been a long time since I touched that part of the code. The path here. It is a line renderer with a certain color. Oh, I see. Oh, you do have a sprite. A material, actually. Okay. So if I go in my sprites here, then I make a material out of you. I'm gonna do a new asset folder. Create folder, which is gonna be materials. And I'm gonna try to make a new material. Okay. Nah. I don't want to do material. That's not how I want to do things. Okay, so instead the path is not gonna have a line renderer. Wait, what? You're kidding me, right? It's kind of crazy. Please. Nah, it makes no sense. It creates a material, but it's not made to be a material. Okay, so I can't use the path the way that I'm using it right now. So what I really need to do... It's kind of crazy. I need to... Okay, so I have 2 points. I need my... okay, I'm just gonna open OBS to make sure that I make it correctly. Okay, so I have 2 points, right? So what I need to do is find the middle point, like right here. and put the object here. The path is going to be an object. Put the path here. Boom. Right there. And what's going to happen is from that, it's just going to be like, you know, a big like line like this. I need to tilt it towards like that point. So it's going to, you know, since it's in the middle, it's also going to go there. And it's probably going to be like not long enough or too long. And then I need to just adjust the length, be the length of the 2 points. Okay. So first thing I calculate, I have two vectors, right? P1 and P2. Okay. So what I can do is, okay, I can just do vector 3 diff, which will be equal to P1 minus P2 or P2 minus P1, you know, it's something like that. And then what I can do is, I don't know, like a double length, which will be equal to diff dot magnitude. Okay, so this would be the length. Now I can also do vector 3 middle, which will be equal to P1 plus diff divided by 2. Okay, so, someone is ringing. I think there's a package at my house, so give me a quick second. Okay, there was indeed a package at my house for my girlfriend, and it excited my baby dog. He's attacking me. Okay. He wants to go play. So that should be, you know, it could be P2 instead of P1. Like, it's just trial and error at this point. It doesn't really matter. I'll see anyways. Plus, I think it might be reversed here and all of it. I'm just gonna, you know, try permutations at this point. So I have the diff, I have the length and the middle. Also, how do I know the angle that I need to do? Maybe it's going to be check towards P2 or something like that. So union dot look rotation. It's a rotation with the specified forward and upward direction. Okay, so upwards is gonna be towards the camera, so not sure. And the look direction is gonna be, I think it's just middle, right? It's just diff, right? And which one is upwards? It's in the z-axis, I think. This is gonna be vector dot I think it's back, yeah. Something like that. Okay. So this should be able to set the rotation for the path that I want to instantiate. This should be the point where it's at. And this should be the length that the length that it has, that the sprite has. Oh yeah, it's hard to know the size depending on the length. Yeah, that's pretty hardcore, huh? So it's going to be instantiate path prefab. Okay, so what's the path prefab essentially? This is the path prefab. I don't want the line renderer anymore. Okay, I legit don't. I'm going to remove that component. I'm going to add a new component, which is going to be a sprite renderer. Yeehaw! The sprite renderer is going to have a sprite, which is going to be the path right here. Okay? So if I look somewhere, oh, right here. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. So now oh yeah, I did have the points on the side just to help me. Like I wanted to cut it in different sprites and just, yeah, but that's complicated. So here, this is good. By the way, the last thing we're gonna do for this stream. Once I've managed to make this work, like we're pretty far, right? So the final stream is most, because this and the fruits were the two sprites that would require a lot of logic. The rest is just gonna be like putting sprites over stuff. So I could technically call it a day after this stream, especially if I did the campfire, but I do want to add some backgrounds and, you know, make the nodes and the dialogue box better and stuff like that. So I will be doing another stream. In fact, it might even be tonight. But it's most likely gonna be either tomorrow at some point in the afternoon, or this Sunday, sorry. So either this Saturday, which is tomorrow, or this Sunday. Sunday I have like pretty much the full day. So I have a bit of time because it's the beginning of the semester. So I really want to finish this. Also, I'm kind of, you know, I really want to be done with Unity as soon as possible as well. And I'm kind of excited to try new engines, right? Like, I'm kind of excited. But also, I think I'm realizing that this project is not as motivating as it could be because it doesn't have much potential. Like, yeah, it was a cool project, especially for a prototype, because it's like a small game in terms of gameplay, right? You could add a lot of mission and a lot of story to it, but and multiple regions and, you know, a bunch of things. But at the end of the day, it's a pretty low-key game, right? Which was really, really good to, you know, just get back into using Unity, because it had been a long time before that project since I've used Unity. But yeah, now I'm just going to be using other game engines, probably. Or even making my own, who knows. Okay, so here, I do instantiate the path prefab using, you know, the current transform, fine. Now, I don't care about the line renderer, and I don't care about that, okay? This is where it changes. Here, I have to do path dot transform dot position will be equal to middle. Exactly. Now I want to do path dot, it should be the Y, right? Dot transform dot scale or something. No, it should be length. So it should be new vector 3 that uses 1 something and then 1. And then here I should have something like length divided by like 4 something. Okay, good. So actually, space here, no space here, let's say, and space here, okay? No, not enter, just space. This way it's very clear what's what. Okay, cool. Something like that, because I say divided by 4 because if you look at here, you can see that it's more than a single unit. I think it's actually 4, right? I think it's pretty accurate to say that. So this is why I'm dividing by 4. Maybe I'm going to have to divide by 5. Maybe, you know, we'll see. And maybe I'm going to divide by like 4.1 or something like that. Or divided by 4 and then I do a minus like 0.1. Right? Just because maybe I just want it to be in between the nodes, not like touching or overlapping the nodes. Or maybe I'm just going to make sure that the sprite is under the node, so the steps kind of like go under. Something along those lines. And then I can do path dot transform dot rotation will be equal to, well, this, yeah. And when you say middle, like I could very much just do this, right? And the length is the diff.magnitude, so diff.magnitude again. For the length here, diff.magnitude divided by 4 or something. Well, they do make spaces, but yeah, let's just make this very clear. Something like that. I like this. That's the position. That's the, you know, local scale, and then the look rotation gonna be the same. Then shade magnitude, blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah, I think it's, you know, fair enough. At this point, I just want to try it. Let's see if it works. Maybe it won't. Who knows? Too bad, so sad. Okay, so it doesn't work, obviously. So here, very simple. Okay, scene content, great. I add a prefab of a path. See, this is why it doesn't work, because it's way, way, way too big. And I have no idea why, by the way. In scene content, though. Okay, it's incredibly too big. For what reason, I have no idea. If I go inside of path, sprite renderer here, you have the paths and stuff. Look, I don't know why. It's just very, very huge. Okay? So, now I go in sprites. Oh. Because, oh yeah, because it's 1, of course, yes. 32, please. It's gonna be 32 times smaller. This is much smaller. And even 32, I'm like, you know what? Let's go for 64 with that one. How about that? Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so now let's retry. Okay, so if I go in mission map. So I have a path here. Oh, it's there. Why can't I see it? The node is 1. Yeah, here for the scale, how about for now? This is just commented, okay? I don't change the scale. I just set the transform and the rotation, right? Yeah, okay, it seems like they're 90 degrees always. Okay, well, I can already fix that, I think. So instead of diff and... Oh, instead of back, basically, it's... like the 3 dot. No, back is front, I guess. Or forward, yeah. I think that should change it. Yeah, that should be okay all the time, I think. Yes, 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 I get it. Oh no, it's still 90 degrees. Weird. No, the position is right. The diff might not be okay. It might be P1 minus P2 then. Oh, but then it might be P2 plus the diff or something. Yeah, I don't understand why it's like this. It seems like it's put in the correct position, but here, I don't know, maybe it's minus diff? Yeah, that might be this. Hey, why no music? Of course I want to keep watching. You kidding me? Beautiful tree drawings. Okay, so nope. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, it's annoying having to do that all the time. I mean, it's still 90 degrees. Okay, well, look. It's fine. It doesn't matter. It's fine. It doesn't matter. Okay. What I truly want here is I want to know why it doesn't show. No, right. That's annoying. Something like that. Okay, so if I go like this, maybe because I'm not affecting the Z all of a sudden, maybe that's okay. I don't know. Though it shouldn't affect the Z because the diff, the Z is 0, right? Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't show it. Aha. It is invisible. Why? To me, it makes no sense. Because if I look at the prefab, I'm pretty sure it does have the path. And then I can do a rotation, it does. Okay, I see. I'm doing my rotation wrong. That's literally just it. I'm doing my rotation in the... So basically, I'm wrong. So when they see upwards, probably instead of forward, it's probably the Y that needs to be upwards or something. Down and like up or something. Okay, if I see, say, up, just go for the diff and not minus diff. So it's still not okay. Yeah, if I try, okay, if I start it, I go in scene, and I go in map, and I look at the path. Sure, it's right there, but can I like not go 2D? Yeah, how are my paths? Okay, they're like that, right? It's kind of crazy. Okay. And what if I go back to what I had before, which was forward? Because if I go like this... Oh, this is forward. Okay. Upwards. The Z. If I say right now, it's probably not gonna work either. But upwards was the Z. What if I do the other way around? Forward hey here and diff here. Okay, what if I do this? Just to see. But it is weird. I don't really like the fact that seems to not work. Okay. Oh wow. What? It should work here? Come on. Dude, it's perfect. Why can't I see it? Is it because of the Z? Do you have to be Z 1.1 or something? Or -1 or whatever? Okay. Please. Seems to work. Oh, or maybe not. I think I know why now. Hey, dude. Click on the scene. Okay, so quick tip. Under map. Path. Okay, I don't know why, but the transform, it's not 1.1. It's like, okay, just do -1. And it might work. Okay. And here, yeah, it's pretty good. Now the magnitude. Okay, I'll see the magnitude afterwards. Okay, now go back to 2D, please. Because I think it's gonna work. Please. Please tell me it works. Please. Oh. Look at this. That's tight. Okay, nice. That's really cool. Now they're just a little bit too long, but it's fine because I can do one comment and now I can just try it. I think it should work. But we'll see. We will see. Hey, that's pretty dope. It is a little too like squish, but it does make the correct length. I need to squish it along that axis as well. So if I do like 0.6x, it might look better. Please, please tell me it looks good. Please. Oh my god, it looks pretty good. It's dope. You can choose your path. You can sleep. You can choose your paths again. You're dead. You can grow stuff. Oh, I didn't put it there. Yeah, well, you know. 6 is fine. You don't need that many. Well, I'll see that next time. Okay? Because this has been done. Ah, that's good. It feels good. Feels good that it works. Okay? So, yeah, I might have to change the code a little bit next time. Because, and I'm gonna do, like, you know, a list of sprites here. And also, add the garden sprite in the garden scene. And remove one row of spots plant. Also do it in the node data. Okay. So next time I'm doing this, and I'm gonna just do a couple of sprites to spruce up the game, but no functionality should be added. And the buttons, you know, it's pretty easy. Again, it's pretty much just an overlay that you're using a sprite instead of just a random, I guess, default sprite that doesn't look very good. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. It's probably gonna be this weekend, and that's gonna be the end of this wonderful project. That being said, thanks for watching, and maybe I'll see you next time. See ya.